What do I see? It looks like work. Something having to do. What is this? Oh, it's a ceiling fan. Hey, well, it's about time. My wife wanted me to get this ceiling fan up before the end of this month, and I thought today is probably going to be the day. And you know, years ago, I mean, this house was built 2001 or so. Can you believe there's no light fixture location up here? No ceiling fan location, no nothing. There's only one light switch here, and that light switch is for the lights back here, and it's controlled with a three-way light switch. I think, yeah, see, there's one back in there, and that's all they did. I wish they would have put a double gang switch box here with two switches, one up to a future light fixture or a ceiling fan. They could have put a junction box up there for a ceiling fan and put a blank plate on it, painted it the same color when they built the house. Wouldn't that have been the best thing to do? Oh no, they didn't have, they decided they didn't want to do that. That might cost them a few dollars. And they did that in just about every single bedroom, except the master bedroom. So, okay, they saved a few dollars, but still, had I built this house back in early 2000s, I would have put a junction box up there, okay? Strong enough for a ceiling fan or a light fixture with a light switch here. Now I've got to figure something else out, okay? So that's what this entire project video series is going to be about. How to install this ceiling fan. This ceiling fan happens to be a Harbor Breeze. You don't have to get a Harbor Breeze, but I'll talk to you about that in a moment. Okay, so if that's what you want to see, that's what's coming up. Can you believe that? I got 1 minute left on my SIM card of this whole thing. I thought I'd had plenty of time, but hey, if I can do it, you can do it. Remember that.